The most satisfying two-lettered word, we. Relationship means more than one. अकेला दुनिया में रह के क्या करेगा? अकेला 20 बेडरूम का घर है, रात में हर एक बेडरूम में थोड़ा थोड़ा टच एंड गो सो के आएगा? हाँ, बेंटली गाड़ी है, बेंटली, हाँ, बेंटली गाड़ी में हृदय तो बेंट हो गया. What will he do? With all that one may yearn for at one's beck and call, will a person gain even a bit's happiness and satisfaction without meaningful relationships? Therefore they say, if you want to know how rich you are, drop a tear and see how many hands come forth to wipe it. That is how rich you are. Otherwise you may keep counting your wealth and no one there to really give you companionship. But I know such people, bhatakti atmas, just living in their house like a bhoot. No one there to share their relationships. What a satisfying word that is. We. Even to enjoy life properly, you have to have more than one. Not I, but we. And therefore Arjuna says in the Gita, Kim no rajyena govindah kim bhogair jivitena va yesham arthe kangshitam no rajyaha bhogaha sukhani cha ta ime vastitha yuddhe pranam styaktva dhanani cha. Chapter 1 of the Gita. What is the use of the battle? What is the use of gaining victory? What is the use of gaining the throne? And what is the use of gaining consequent opulence if all those whom it is meant for are present here on the battlefield and all shall be slain in this fratricidal battle? With whom to live? सब कुछ अगर खत्म हो गया, सब खत्म हो गए, तो ये ऐशो आराम को क्या चाटना है? चाटेंगे? कार को चाटेंगे जाके? हाँ? बोलेंगे मेरा डोल्ची गबाना का ग्लास है, हरी बोल है? ये मेरा जॉर्जो आर्मानी का शर्ट है, हरी बोल. चाटेंगे उसको? What will you do? Simple question, you know. Even to enjoy life, you need more than one person. Add value to your already colorful life. Make your life useful. Be with people who add value to your life. Don't just hang out with people who take value out of your life by making you forcefully choose wrong things in your life.